here, and action.
You must be the only man in town who's glad to see the soldiers are going.
You're probably right. Our town is emptying out.
My darling, I have to go.
Where are you going?
I have to go and, I promised I'd see them off.
That's not true. Nikolai, why are you acting so funny today? What happened yesterday by the theater?
I'll be back in an hour. My beloved. I've loved you for 5 years now, and I still can't get used to the fact that you seem more and more beautiful to me. You have such wonderful hair, such eyes. Tomorrow I'll take you away from here, and we'll work, and we'll be rich. Dreams will come true, you'll be happy. There's just one thing wrong. You don't love me.
I can't. I'll be your wife. I'll do what I'm supposed to do. I'll be faithful. But I don't love you. I'm sorry. I've never been in love. I used to dream about love. I used to dream about it all the time. But now my soul is like an old piano, and it's been locked up, and the key's lost. You look so upset.
I didn't get much sleep last night. I've never been frightened in my whole life. I'm not afraid of anything, yet now I can't sleep. I'm terrified of the thought of that lost key. Say something to me.
What? These old trees just stand in the silence.
Say something to me.
What do you want me to say?
Anything.
What?
Anything.
Oh, stop it! Stop it.
It's funny how the stupidest little things in life can seem so important for no reason. Oh, let's not talk about it. I'm happy. I feel happy. I feel happy. It's as if I'm seeing these trees for the first time in my life. And they're all watching me and waiting for something. I have to go, I'll be late. That tree is dead, but it still sways in the wind with the others. I feel like that. If I die, I mean, I'll still be a part of life somehow. Goodbye, my darling. The papers you gave me are on my desk next to the calendar.
I'm coming with you.
No. Irina.
What?
I didn't have coffee this morning. You asked them to fix me some? Mm-hmm.